What's up, guys? Jake back from another video here, and today I'm with Grayson. He's not in the room right now. He's going to the bathroom, and Makoa, Makoa's coming over. If you haven't, if you don't know who he is, he's in one of the hide and seek videos. He's in both of them, I'm pretty sure. So go check those out, and he's gonna come over, and we're gonna prank him with this. It's here. It's a recorder. We got it in band in elementary school. And, yeah, you can't really see it, but it's like a clarinet, but it's like a lower version of it. It's plastic, too. So, yeah, we're going to prank that with him, and we'll set the camera up somewhere like right here, and I'll hide like either there or like there. And when he comes down the stairs, then I'll do it. You guys are going to see how loud it is. You might, like, I don't know how loud it is on camera, but in real life, it's super loud, so you might want to, like, turn on the volume when it happens. So, yeah, we'll be back with you guys when he is here. Guys, I'm pretty sure Makoa is here. The doorbell just rang, so Grace and I are going to go hide down those hallways. Yep, they're here. They're definitely here. Not sure if that's a great camera. I'm going to go play with it. Hide. I got him, guys. So that's Makoa right there, if you didn't know, and that's Grayson. We got him. So, all right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like for scaring Makoa. Comment. What should we comment? Oh yeah. I don't know. Just comment if you subscribed. And yeah, subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you
Do
guys
it.
Just do it.
Do it now.
Peace out.